Students, chapter 16, playing with numbers, उसमें एग्जाम्पल 8 वहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे। एग्जाम्पल 8 है A1 प्लस 1B, आंसर है B0। Here we have two letters A and B whose values are to be found. A और B ये दो अननोन नंबर है, उसका वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करना है। बाय ऑब्जर्विंग द सम इन यूनिट कॉलम में आप देखो 1 और B, आंसर 0 है। We have 1 plus B is equal to 0. So here is a number whose unit digit is 0. So B must be 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So now for sum in tens column, we have 1 plus A plus 1 is the remainder. 1 is the carry on. So 1 plus A plus 1 is equal to 9. B is 9. So A must be 7. Our answer is 71 plus 19 is equal to 90. Thus A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 9. B की जगह पर हमें 9 मिला है और A हमने 7 लिया है। नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल था 2AB प्लस AB1, आंसर है B18। 3 डिजिट नंबर है, अननोन है। हियर वी हैव 2 लेटर्स A and B is unknown whose values are to be found. So by observing the sum in unit column, we have B plus 1 is equal to 8. So B must be 7 because 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Now our example becomes 2A7 plus A71 is equal to 718. Now by observing the sum in tens digit, we have A plus 7 is equal to 1. That is whose unit digit is 1. So A must be 4. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 1 is carry on. So our example becomes 2, 4, 7 plus 4, 7, 1. Answer is 718. Thus A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 7. Now next example 12A plus 6AB, answer is A09. Here we have 2 letters A and B whose values are to be found. A और B का वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करना है। By observing the sum in tens column, we have 2 plus A is equal to 0. So A must be 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So our example becomes 1, 2, 8 plus 6, 8B divided by, sorry, is equal to 809. Now, by observing the sum in unit digit, 8 plus b is equal to 9. 8 plus b is equal to 9. So, b must be 1. So, b must be 1. So, our example becomes 128 plus 681 is equal to 809. The a becomes 8 and b is equal to 1. Now, if the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 3, what might be the ones digit of n? The ones digit when divided by 5 must leave a remainder of 3. So the ones digit must be either 3 और 8. ये रूट्स है, उसके एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. The ones digit when divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 3. So the ones digit must be either 3 or 8. 13 divided by 5. 5 2 ja 10. 3 is the remainder. 28 divided by 5. 5 5 ja 25. 3 is the remainder. It is given in textbook. Now, second, if the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 1, what might be the ones digit of n? The ones digit when divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 1. So the ones digit must be either 1 or 6. Example, 21 divided by 5. 5 4 ja 20, remainder is 1. 36 divided by 5. 5 7 ja 35, remainder is 1. If the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4, what might be the ones digit of n? The ones digit when divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4. So the ones digit must be either 4 or 9. Either 4 or 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So 4 or 5, 9. Example, 19 divided by 5. 5 3 ja 15. Remainder is 4. 34 divided by 5. 5 6 ja 30. Remainder is 4. So in this way we have to solve the example. Now next type, if the division n divided by 2 leaves a remainder of 1, what might be the ones digit of n? N is odd, so its ones digit is odd. Therefore, the ones digit must be 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Solution, n is odd, so its ones digit is odd. Therefore, the ones digit must be 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. N is odd, so its ones digit is odd. Therefore, the ones digit must be 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. It is also given in textbook. Example, 11 divided by 2. 2 5 are 10. Remainder is 1. 23 divided by 2. 11 2 are 22. Remainder is 1. If the division n divided by 2 leaves no remainder, that is 0 remainder, what might be the ones digit of n? Here the remainder is equal to 0. So n is an even number. That is, its ones digit is even. Therefore, the ones digit must be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example, 20 divided by 2. 2 10s are 20. Remainder is 0. 22 divided by 2. 2 11s are 22. Remainder is 0. Now, suppose that the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4 and the division n divided by 2 leaves a remainder of 1. What must be the ones digit of n? N divided by 5, remainder 4 है. N divided by 2, remainder 1 है. What must be the ones digit of n? Here, the remainder is 4, so ones digit of n should be 4 or 9. Again, n divided by 2 leaves a remainder 1. So, ones digit of n is odd, that is, ones digit is one of these 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So, 9 is a common ones digit in both the cases. Therefore, ones digit of n must be 9. Therefore, ones digit of n must be 9. 29 divided by 5. 5 5 is 25. Remainder is 4. 29 divided by 2. 2 14 is 28. Remainder is 1. Now, next type, check the divisibility of the following numbers by 9. 1108. Sum of digits of 108 is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 9. Now, 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1 and the remainder is 0. So, given number 108 is divisible by 9. Second, 616. Sum of digits of 616 is equal to 6 plus 6, 6 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 13. 13 divided by 9 is equal to 1 and remainder is equal to 4. So, given number is not divisible by 9. Third example, 294. Sum of digits of 294 is equal to 2 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 15. Now 15 divided by 9 is equal to 1 and remainder is 6. This number also not divisible by 9. 432. Sum of digit is 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1 and remainder is 0. So, this number is divisible by 9. Next, 927. Sum of digit is 9 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 18. 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. And remainder is 0. So, this number is divisible by 9. Now, next time you have seen that a number 450 divisible by 10, it is also divisible by 2 and 5, which are factors of it. Similarly, a number 135 is divisible by 9. It is also divisible by 3, which is a factor of 9. Can you say that if a number is divisible by any number m, then it will also be divisible by each of the factors of it. So answer is yes. If a number is divisible by a number m, then it will also be divisible by each of the factors of m. Example, 12 is divisible by 6. Factor of 6 and 2, 6 are 2 and 3. So 12 is also divisible by 2 and 3. 12 is also divisible by 2 and 3. 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12. Now, next, write a 3-digit number A, B, C as 100A plus 10B plus C is equal to 99A plus 11B plus in bracket A minus B plus C is equal to 11 in bracket 9A plus B bracket over plus bracket A minus B plus C. If the number ABC is divisible by 11, then what can you say about A minus B plus C? Is it necessary that A plus C minus B should be divisible by 11? Answer is, if the number ABC is divisible by 11, then A minus B plus C is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Yes, it is necessary that A plus C minus B should be divisible by 11. Second example, write a 4-digit number ABCD as 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D is equal to 1001A plus 99B plus 11C minus second bracket A minus B plus C minus D is equal to 11 in bracket 91A plus 9B plus C plus in big bracket B plus D minus small bracket E plus C bracket over. If the number ABCD is divisible by 11, then what can you say about second bracket, that is big bracket in B plus D minus small bracket A plus C bracket over. If the number ABCD is divisible by 11, then second bracket, that is big bracket, must be divisible by 11. That is, second bracket B plus D minus A plus C must be 0 or a multiple of 11. Now third example is from first and second above. Can you say that a number will be divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits at its odd places and that of digits at the even places is divisible by 11? Yes, we can say that a number will be divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits at its odd places and that of digits at the even places is divisible by 11. लास्ट लेक्चर में आपको एक्सप्लेन करके दिखाया था ऑड डिजिट और इवन डिजिट का सम अगर उसका डिफरेंस जो है दोनों का, और डिजिट का सम और इवन डिजिट का सम, उसका जो डिफरेंस है 0 आता है, अथवा तो जो रिमाइंडर मिल रहा है, आंसर मिल रहा है वो 11 से डिविजिबल है, तो अपना गिवन नंबर 11 से डिविजिबल होता है, वो एक्सप्लेन किया था. ठीक है. नाउ यहाँ पर और एग्जांपल है 108. Sum of all digit is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 8. Now it is equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. Because 9 plus 3, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3 and remainder is 0. So 108 is divisible by 3. Now 616. Sum of digits of 616 is equal to 6 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 13. And 13 is not divisible by 3, leaving remainder 0. Because 13 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And remainder is 1. So 616 is not divisible by 3. 294. Sum of digits of 294 is equal to 2 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 15. 15 is divisible by 3 because 15 divided by 3 equal to 5 and remainder is 0. So 294 is divisible by 3. Now next example, 432. Sum of digits of 432 is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So 432 is divisible by 3. Fifth example, 927. Sum of digits of 927 is equal to 9 plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 18. Now 18 is divisible by 3. So 927 is divisible by 11. इस तरह 3 से डिविजिबिलिटी है. सो आपको होमवर्क में अपने आप 10 एग्जाम्पल 4 डिजिट के 3 से डिविजिबिलिटी का और 5 या 6 डिजिट वाले 4 एग्जाम्पल 11 से डिविजिबल है कि नहीं वो अपने आप प्रिपेयर करके ट्राई करना है. ठीक है. ओके.